So the new website for US visa application is finally out. The AVITS, that is the Applicant Visa Information and Tracking System. It was updated yesterday, August 26th, and I've had so many of you asking me questions. What is the website? How can you log in? So you just have to go to the website. As you can see on your screen, I'm going to show you how you can also access it. www.usavisaappt.com, right? So just see on your screen, type it out and go there. If you had already booked an appointment right before August 26th, then you don't need to create an account. The embassy are going to send you an application, right? They're going to send you an email where you can access this application. With this website, it affected a few countries, and I'm going to list the countries for you. With this website, you can pay either by Visa, a debit or a credit card, or if you have like GT Bank or the bank that is accepted in your home country, you can also use the online payment system, or you can go pay in the bank, get your invoice, and then attach it to your application. So let me share with you the countries that were affected. If your country is listed, right, then I'll encourage you to go ahead and create an account right now. All right, so here are the countries that were affected. A few countries in Africa and Europe. So in Africa, we have Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of the Congo, the Gambia, Ghana, Liberia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, and Sierra Leone. So if you are from any of these African countries, then you are moving on to this new visa provider. You are no longer going to use the US travel docs. Also, if you are in Europe, Belgium, France, and Netherlands. Belgium, France, and Netherlands. If you want to apply for US visa, then you have to go to usvisaappt.com/visa, select your country, and you can apply. I'm listing the countries again: Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, the Gambia, Ghana, Liberia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, Sierra Leone. And in Europe, we have Belgium, France, and the Netherlands. So these are the countries, and as I said, if you had an appointment before August 20th, you had already scheduled, you don't have to follow through this process. They're going to send you an email and you can directly create your account. But if you don't have a date and you are now going to apply for a date, let's go to the website and let's see how you can also create your account. Guys, here is the website. So visaappt.com. So you go here, and as I said, if you already have an appointment before August 20, so you booked it, they're going to send you an email with the instructions. So you're going to scroll down and select your country. So for example, if you are from Ghana, you go ahead, click on Ghana, and then you have a few options to log in, or you can, if you click on the menu, right, this three hamburger right here, you have the option to select what you are looking for. So application process, visa types, renewal, if it's an immigrant visa, just select whichever option is available to you. So you're going to click on login and then new sign up. All right, so new sign up, put in your full name, email address, phone number, and just follow the on-screen instruction, right? For privacy, I don't want to put in anybody's email, but it's very simple and easy. If you need the website, just comment on the video and I'll gladly share with you. Depending on which country that you're coming from, I am going to share with you, but make sure that your country is listed in any of these countries that are listed here, the ones in Africa, and also 3 countries that are in Europe. There you have it. Very simple, very straightforward. Like I said, if you already booked an appointment date before August 26, don't take any action. Check your inbox, check your email. They're going to send you the instruction on how to pay. If you are yet to book an appointment, then follow the instructions that I just shared with you.